Welcome to Algebra Prep Academy.
Today's lesson is
Continuity Test.
the continuity test consists of three parts. First, the limit as x approaches c of f of x exists, f of c exists, and f of c equals the limit as x approaches c of f of x.
Some examples. F of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. We want to find if f of x is continuous at x equals 1. First, we find the limit of f of x as x approaches 1. It only exists if the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the negative side equals the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the positive side. The limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the negative side is equal to the limit of x squared plus 2x minus 1 as x approaches 1 from the negative side. This equals 4. The limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the positive side equals 4. As such, the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the negative side and the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the positive side are equal. Therefore, the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 exists. We need to find f of 1. F of 1 equals 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 1. This adds up to 4. This means that f of 1 exists. Lastly, are the two equal? The limit of f of x as x approaches 1 equals 4, as does f of 1. They're equal, so f of x is continuous at x equals 1. F of x is a piecewise function where f of x equals 2x minus 3 for x lesser than 0. F of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 2 for x equal to or greater than 0. Is f of x continuous at 0? Now, f of x is a piecewise function that splits at x equals 0. This means that we have to find the limit as x approaches 0 from both sides. The limit of f of x as x approaches 0 from the positive side uses the equation x squared minus 3x plus 2. This equals 2. The limits of f of x as x approaches 0 from the negative side uses the equation 2x minus 3. This equals negative 3. 2 does not equal negative 3. This means that the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 from the negative side does not equal the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 from the positive side. Therefore, the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 does not exist. This means the continuity test does not apply. Therefore, f of x is not continuous at x equals 0.
Here is the third example. F of x equals x squared plus x minus 2 over x plus 2. Is f of x continuous at x equals negative 2? F of negative 2 equals negative 2 squared plus negative 2 minus 2 over negative 2 plus 2, which simplifies to 4 minus 4 over negative 2 plus 2, which equals to 0 over 0. Therefore, f of negative 2 does not exist, so the continuity test does not apply, and therefore f of x isn't continuous at x equals negative 2. However, the limit still exists. We can factor f of x, which would equal x plus 2 times x minus 1 over x plus 2. X plus 2 in the numerator and denominator would cancel, leaving only x minus 1. The limit as x approaches negative 2 of f of x equals negative 2 minus 1, which equals to negative 3. Therefore, the limit as x approaches negative 2 of f of x exists even if f of negative 2 doesn't. Here is our fourth example. F of x is a piecewise function where f of x equals x cubed minus x for x not equal to 3, and f of x equals 3 for x equals 3. First, we find the limit as x approaches 3 from both sides of f of x. The limit as x approaches 3 from the positive side of f of x equals to 3 cubed minus 3, which equals to 24. The limit as x approaches 3 from the negative side of f of x equals to 3 cubed minus 3, which also equals to 24. The limit as x approaches 3 from the positive side of f of x equals to 24, which also equals the limit as x approaches 3 from the negative side of f of x. Therefore, the limit of f of x as x approaches 3 exists. Next, we have to find f of 3. It is given that at x equals 3, f of x would equal to 3. Therefore, f of 3 equals 3. Now, we have to determine if the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x equals f of 3. The limit as x approaches 3 of f of x equals 24, and f of 3 equals 3. Therefore, the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x does not equal f of 3. Because the limit and point aren't equal, the continuity test cannot be applied. Therefore, f of x is not continuous at x equals 3.
You just learned the continuity test. Thanks for watching. If you don't mind, like the video and subscribe to our channel.